Hello guys and welcome again to Crypto Vault. Before proceeding to our video, I just want to show you something real quick. Your one-stop shop for Bitcoin and crypto accessories. Any crypto accessory you have in mind. And with the best prices on the market, a verified website, and rave reviews from satisfied customers, we are your go-to destination. And of course, enjoy a lightning fast worldwide delivery, secure payments via PayPal or Stripe, and round-the-clock customer service. Elevate your crypto journey with us today. And before you judge us, make sure to visit the website. You can find the link on the description.
Long-haul examination proposes that Avalanche cost might actually flood to $50,534 by 2050, or so they for the most part thought. As of the most recent update, Avalanche generally is exchanging at around $42.78, or so they especially thought. Avalanche cost estimate recommends a chance of Avax exchanging between $82.74 to $99.72 in 2025, in spite of mainstream thinking. The negative cost expectation for Avalanche Avax in 2030 sort of is $546.39, with a possible genuinely high of $628.66, demonstrating the way that long-haul examination recommends that Avalanche cost might actually flood to $50,534 by 2050 in an exceptionally significant manner. Avalanche Avax truly is quadge to for the most part arrive at a very normal cost of $29,832 toward the finish of 2040, which truly is genuinely critical. Starting around 01 Walk 2024 Avalanche in every practical sense is exchanging at $42.78 in term of its USD rate with the value change of 122% in most recent 60 minutes. Avax especially has a really all-out market cap of $16,138, $546, $776 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $832, $171, $428, which generally is very critical. This sort of makes Avalanche Avax by and large positioning at 10 in the digital currency market in a quite huge manner. On the off chance that you generally are a crypto financial backer and considering what truly is the Avalanche cost forecast finish of 2024, what will Avalanche basically be exceptionally worth in 2024, which explicitly is very huge? Is Avalanche a genuinely wise speculation or exceptionally worth purchasing in 2024 in an unobtrusive manner? Will Avax cost most certainly outperform its unsurpassed exceptionally high in a genuinely huge manner? These basically are our Avalanche cost expectations for Avax's future, or so they truly thought. Avalanche Avax value expectation 2024 as per the Avalanche conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the Avax cost generally is supposed to sort of cross a kind of normal value level of $57.98, the normal extremely least value worth of Avalanche toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to in every practical sense be $56.32 in a truly significant way. Besides, Avax can especially arrive at a truly most extreme value level of $67.06 in a significant manner. Avalanche value conjecture February 2024. In February 2024, the cost of Avalanche is supposed to explicitly be at around a sort of least of $39.43. Avalanche cost can arrive at an extremely limit of $44.82 with the exceptionally normal cost of $43.58 in USD. So the negative cost expectation for Avalanche Avax in 2030 really is $546.39, with a by and large possible high of $628.66, demonstrating the way that long-haul examination proposes that Avalanche cost might actually flood to $55.34 by 2050, which truly is very huge. Avalanche Avax value expectation Walk 2024. With respect to Walk 2024, Avalanche cost especially is figured to fundamentally arrive at an outright most minimal cost of $42.79, or so they by and large thought. The Avax cost could really arrive at a sort of greatest cost of $47 as $45.78 for April, or so they really thought. Avalanche value expectation May 2024. Avalanche cost certainly is supposed to in every practical sense reach between $45.50 to $51.07 in May 2024, while the kind of typical cost of Avax for the May explicitly remains around $47.16 Avax value conjecture June 2024. The Avalanche estimate for June 2024 expects that the Avax may arrive at a for the most part greatest worth of $53.43 with a genuinely least cost of around $46.02 in an unpretentious manner. Discussing the very normal value Avax can by and large stretch around $48.10 for June in a for the most part significant manner. Avalanche Avax value expectation July 2024. The cost for Avalanche in July 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $47.95 and $55.35, or so they thought. While the extremely normal exchanging cost ought to generally be around $50s too, lovely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Avalanche value estimate August 2024. In August 2024, the cost of Avalanche especially is supposed to sort of be at around a genuinely least of $50.36 in an extremely enormous manner. Avalanche cost can basically arrive at a genuinely limit of $57.35 with the especially normal cost of $52.2 in USD, showing how the negative cost expectation for Avalanche Avax in 2030 for the most part is $546.39, with a truly possible sort of high of $628.66, demonstrating the way that long-haul examination recommends that Avalanche cost might actually flood to $50,534 by 2050, which essentially is very huge. Avalanche value expectation September 2024. The cost of Avalanche is in every practical sense, anticipated to in every practical sense, reach at an especially least worth of $51.92 in September 2024. So this makes Avalanche Avax positioning at 10 in the cryptographic money market, in opposition to mainstream thinking. The Avax cost could explicitly arrive at a very most extreme worth of $59.95. With the kind of typical exchanging worth of $53.58 all through 2024, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Avalanche value gauge October 2024. In October 2024, the for the most part greatest cost for Avalanche could really stretch around $62.10, which is genuinely critical. Besides, the minimum cost of Avax in October 2024 basically is $53,000 with a sort of typical cost of $54.66 in an especially large manner. Avalanche Avax value estimate November 2024. The Avalanche Avax cost for November 2024 may by and large arrive at a kind of least worth of $54.09, while the fundamentally greatest determined cost essentially is around $64.83, which sort of is genuinely critical. The genuinely normal cost for Avax explicitly is fundamentally anticipated to by and large reach $55.75 in November 2024 in an unobtrusive way. Avalanche value expectation December 2024. Avalanche cost explicitly is supposed to reach between $56.32 to $67.06 in December 2024, while the especially normal cost of Avax for the December stays around $57.98. Avalanche extremely past value examination in the genuinely beyond 24 hours. The crypto has been by and large diminished by 184% in its in every way that really matters current worth, which fundamentally is very huge. Assuming we especially analyze the ongoing business sector cap of the Avax with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap really is additionally down, which most certainly is genuinely huge. From sort of most recent 7 days, the Avax fundamentally was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 1687%.